Flu activity is very high across Illinois and the Champaign region.
And it's not just people coughing and sneezing. The flu can be very serious, and cases are rising across the country and in central Illinois. Good evening. I'm Brendan Morano.
And I'm Jennifer Roscoe. State Public Health says the first child has died from influenza in Illinois this season. That brings the total to 17 people in the state. WCIA3's Peter Hansen is live in our newsroom. Peter, just how bad is this flu season so far compared to past years?
Jennifer, the Department of Public Health says the flu makes up about 8% of emergency room visits across the state. That's compared to 6% this time last year and 5% 2 years ago. But officials say most of these cases are a new strain of an already more intense type of the virus.
It was around 89% of viruses that were characterized were flu A subclade K.
Rob Davies with Champaign-Urbana Public Health says the strain is similar to the normal flu that tends to go around this time of year.
Your symptoms tend to feel worse with flu A. Illness can be more severe than flu B. Flu B is typically more mild.
He says this year's vaccine is still effective despite the new strain. Early CDC reports show adults are protected 30 to 40%. Down from 36 to 54% last year.
Only 24% of Champaign County residents have received their flu shot this season.
And down from 31% just 3 years ago. Davies says it's too early to tell whether the new strain and lower vaccination numbers will prolong or intensify the peak of flu season.
It's too early, though, to say how big of a problem it will be.
But emergency room doctor and urgent care owner Kurt Bloomstrand says influenza is just one of many viruses he's treating people for.
We're seeing a huge increase in patients developing viral illnesses, upper respiratory infections, whether it be from COVID, whether it be from flu, RSV. We're seeing a strep as well go around.
Bloomstrand says norovirus cases are lingering too, and he's treated many who have 2 or more of these viruses at the same time. As for the best way to prevent getting any of these, you've heard the advice since you were a kid. Bloomstrand says to wash your hands, cover your cough, and don't touch your face.
For symptom control, Tylenol, ibuprofen over the counter as able.
And as students return to school from winter break, he says a quick chat with your child might help keep your family healthy.
Well, it's very important to talk to our kids about good hygiene, right? It can be harder in the little pediatric patients.
Davies says CU Public Health also encourages people who test positive for the flu to ask their doctor about antiviral medication. He says starting it early on can help get rid of symptoms a lot quicker. In the newsroom, Peter Hansen, WCIA3, your local news leader.
All right, Peter, thank you so much.